Okay, welcome to the man cave. So this particular video talks about moto-minded headlights. I've got a video on it already, but when I installed this moto-minded headlight that uses Baja Designs LEDs to the back of my headlamp on my 690, and it's really plug and play, just 4 screws, take it off, put it back on. It works really well. When I was in the I've had this now on my bike for 2 years. I used it when I went to Baja in March of 2015, and been using it ever since. I'm really pleased with the lights. However, when I was at the last KTM Adventure Rally, I was talking to the guys. They had this new little bracket, and I said, that's kind of cool. I mean, that gets rid of if you don't like the wind and the rain going through it, like you can see through here, right? Got light going through that, and you want to seal it off. They've got this mask that goes over it, so I'm going to install that for you. I promised them I'd make a video, and they gave it to me for free. Okay, so I've already got this disconnected from the headlight cowling, and it appears that this piece here gets removed, and there's screws here that we have to take off and then mount this mask in its place, and they give me some new screws for it. So let me grab an Allen hex wrench. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this off, find the right one to use. Middle part. I'll take its screws out. He didn't give me any direction. He just said, "Here, take it, go." So I did, and now this is the first chance I got. And I'm trying to get as many of these things done before I go to Mexico again, and we're going to be down there for a few months. So we're going to keep the top bar on there. I can just keep from dropping the screws. Screw that in. Put another one over here. I really appreciate you guys when you watch my videos and then you go off and buy something. One thing, it's very flattering that you will want to put on your bike what I put on my bike. And then what the guys at Moto Minded said, I actually sold quite a few of these things for them. Alright, so now it's all kind of closed up. It's spaced out a little bit more than it used to be. Let's drop it inside the okay, so now when you look at it, it looks like this. So there's the cowling. This cowling comes with these kind of screws. There's 4 of them on the back. Okay, you just put 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're good to go. It comes pre-wired. You just plug this into where your headlight used to plug into, and you're good to go. It's probably one of the easiest conversions you could do. That gives you a giant boost of stuff. Now let's go see what it looks like if I try to put on my fairing. That's a little bit more go over to the little scooter bench. So this gets mounted like this. It still isn't there's still a big giant gap, but you know, maybe I can fill that in with some gasket. If you really want to make it look more sealed up. So I think that what they did was pretty good for the stock setup. I don't think it makes much difference for this one. But I got it on there, so next time I see him at the 2018 KTM Adventure Rally in someplace in Utah, I think. So maybe I can ask him for a custom one that goes out much wider. Yeah, that would be kind of cool. Okay, well, that's all that for that. I did what I promised. Now I gotta put the fairing back on my um, 690 and hopefully take it for a ride. Thank you for watching. Snowing. We're gonna go check the mail. Good thing we got our project done when we did. Put the tonneau cover on the truck, got the rack, getting ready to go to Mexico. Poor KTM truck.